Ever plugged into a 350 kilowatt station and wondered why your car tops out way lower? Here's the truth. Max charging speed isn't what the science says. It's what your car can accept at the moment. Let's decode it. Hello everyone, I'm Shayan, an engineer specialized in electric vehicle development. First, peak vs average. Peak kilowatt is that short sprint you might see for seconds or minutes. Average kilowatt is what fills the battery over the whole session. A car that peaks at 230 kilowatt but spends most time at 120 kilowatt will feel like a 120 kilowatt car. Second, voltage matters. Power equals volts times amps. Many EVs are roughly 400 volt architectures. Some are 800 volt. Higher voltage means the same power with less current. So cables run cooler and chargers can deliver more. On a 400 volt pack, heating 250 kilowatt requires huge current, often limited by the car, the cable, or the charger. Third, the charging curve. Batteries accept power fastest at low to mid state of charge. Think 10% to 60 or 70% and then taper to protect cell health. That's why road trippers do quick hops. Arrive low, leave around 60 to 80% and repeat. Fourth, temperature. Cold battery, internal resistance rises and your car sips, not gulps. Hot day, the car throttles to control heat. The fix is preconditioning. The car warms or cools the pack before arrival. Use built-in route planning to trigger it automatically. Fifth, charger and site limits. Some sites power share between stalls. If your neighbor is pulling big power, your stall may be capped. Also watch for derating from hot weather, worn cables, or firmware limits. Pro tip is to check the app for stall status and pick a non-paired. Sixth is the car site limits. Your BMS decides what's safe. It considers cell temperature, pack health, and balance. Different chemistries behave differently. LFP is robust but peaky in cold. NMC and NCA can take high peaks but may taper earlier at higher state of charge or temperature. Thermal system design, coolant loops, plate contacts, pump capacity also shape the curve. Seventh is the numbers you'll actually see. Advertised up to 350 kilowatt chargers are fine, but many cars will peak somewhere between 120 to 270 kilowatt, depending on architecture and conditions. Session averages are commonly 80 to 150 kilowatt on road trips. Eighth, how to get your max. Navigate the charger in app to precondition. Arrive low state of charge, choose the highest rated non-sharing stall. Avoid stacking long charges. Do shorter sessions. Keep the pack healthy, moderate daily state of charge, and update firmware and don't stress it. Ninth, charging hardware. An 800 volt capable car shines on 350 kilowatt stations. 400 volt cars often do best on solid 150 to 250 kilowatt units. Check voltage and current ratings. You need both to line up. Bottom line is that your max charging speed is a moving target set by your car, the curve, the conditions, and the charger. Want specifics for your model? I've put together a free PDF with a model by model max charging speed table, typical curves and road trip settings. Grab it in the description and charge smarter on your next adventure. Thank you.